Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Gamesir Kaleid Controller, a budget-friendly option packed with pro-level features. Let's see how it performs across various gaming platforms. Starting with its design, the Gamesir Kaleid sports a sleek and modern look, with a transparent casing and customizable RGB lighting. The controller feels lightweight, which can be a plus for extended gaming sessions but might feel a bit insubstantial to some users. Now, let's talk about what sets this controller apart. It features Hall effect triggers and joysticks, which allow for precise sensitivity adjustments. This is particularly useful in games where control accuracy is crucial. Additionally, it includes rear paddles that can be remapped, providing extra versatility. Whether you're into FPS or action games, these paddles can give you a competitive edge. Comfort-wise, the Gamesir Kaleid does fairly well. It's designed with textured surfaces on the grips and joysticks, enhancing grip and comfort during gameplay. The placement of rear paddles is also ergonomic, catering well to different hand sizes. In terms of performance, the Kaleid delivers a satisfying gaming experience. The triggers and joysticks offer responsive feedback, crucial for intense gaming moments. The hair trigger mode, which reduces trigger travel, is particularly handy in fast-paced shooters. Moving on to customization, the Gamesir Nexus app allows extensive tweaking. You can remap buttons, adjust lighting effects, and even fine-tune sensitivity settings. This flexibility ensures the controller can be tailored to suit different gaming styles and preferences. When compared to similar budget controllers, the Gamesir Kaleid stands out with its Hall effect sensors and customizable features. While it's wired only, which might limit mobility, it compensates with its affordability and advanced features. To wrap up, the Gamesir Kaleid is a commendable choice for gamers looking to enhance their gameplay without breaking the bank. With its pro-level features and ergonomic design, it offers great value for money. Whether you're gaming on Xbox or PC, this controller proves to be a solid contender in its price range. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and gaming insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.